Thank you for logging on to Concrete Coatings Canada. We're excited to take a few minutes and share with you one of our favorite applications in the concrete restoration industry, polished concrete. As you can see, polished concrete is a floor you've probably walked on before. It's a common floor used in retail, commercial, and even institutional applications, utilizing the existing concrete substrate, whether specified or not, to transform the space into a beautiful, uniform, dust-minimizing and reflective surface that lasts a long time. Floors that you think can't be rehabilitated normally can be, with the right equipment and know-how as the key ingredients. As you can see here, the right diamond tooling used the right way in the right sequences is the secret sauce. Stage 1 is a rough initial cut, where we may start with a 16 or 20 grit, or commonly a 30 or 40 grit metal bond to do that initial cut through the floor. This exposes the floor of deficiencies like cracks or pits that need to be treated or left alone if that's what the spec calls for. Stage 2 progressively finer grinds refine the floor with a rough floor to a flat, level surface. Here we may go up to an 80 or 150 grit metal bond, like I said initially, depending on what the spec calls for. We may want to end up at a cream finish, salt and pepper, medium aggregate, or even a large aggregate finish, requiring further cutting of the floor. Cross-hatching and sequencing of the floor is absolutely key to ensure a uniform finish. After this stage is done, we move on to applying a chemical hardener to densify the concrete. Here, treated with an impregnator, this prepares the floor for diamond polishing. Polishing the floor uses specially designed diamond tools with progressively finer abrasion, exposing the beauty of the concrete and honing in as you would a granite surface. We may go up to an 800 grit resin bond diamond, or even a 1500, 3000, or higher, depending on the specification. Each floor is treated independently with the same process and know-how, but this application turns over an absolutely exquisite floor that's long-lasting and, I'll tell you, very cost-effective when you consider alternatives. Concrete Coatings Canada is excited to work with you on your next floor. Please call us now and help us use our formula to transform your floors.